So hi guys, I'm Karen Reyes. Welcome to my vlog, and I'm gonna share to you what I learned about my subject yesterday, which is teaching English in elementary grade language arts. Let's tackle about what is language. So for me, language is the way of people to share thoughts and information to each other. Language is a crucial many aspect of life. It's the way you communicate each other, to express your thoughts, ideas, or emotion to others, and also to build the good relationship to other people. So now let's tackle about the lesson 2, which is the component. And we have a 4 component in language art. But before that, when Jerome Brunel said, when you are teaching, start from the basic one to complex. The first component is interaction. Is you and your student is communicating good each other. The first component is interaction. So what is interaction? Interaction is the way you talk to student, or the good communication each other. So the component 2 is the integration. So what is integration? So for me, the integration, you connect the one subject to another. For example is English and math. So the activities that I give you in the student is problem solving. So the third one is component in effective. So it's all about how you student teach the manner in every culture, and how you teach the student to communicate with manners in every culture. The third component is making meaning through language. So every student is you need to understand carefully like that. Last component is holistic assessment. So what is holistic assessment? So for me, holistic assessment is how you're responsible the cognitive, affective, and the psychomotor. For the lesson plan, let's talk about the types of learners. So number 1 is imaginative learners. So students should be able to think and to imaginary before they answer. Analytical learners for me is students should be able to answer the logic, and study by their own. This one is common sense. They be all senses, and such as role playing. And the third one is dynamic language. So when the teacher is an activity, and we have a lot of activity, not only one. And the last one is we have 5 macro skills, which is viewing, speaking, reading, listening, and writing. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.